Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Chroma key feature in CapCut mobile. So you can open the CapCut apps and just wait. Okay, you can use the Chroma key to remove the green screen. So you can tap on your project and select green screen. So you can remove the green color with the Chroma key. Just click on the clips and select cut out. So you can select cut out and select Chroma key. Just select color picker. You can select the green color and can adjust for the intensity and shadow. Just click check mark. So that's it. So you can add more. You can make it as an overlay. Okay, merge it. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.